Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to allow people to share your post and stories on Instagram. So first open Instagram app, click on the profile and then click on edit profile. Now here in the left hand sidebar you will see the tags and mention option. Click on this and here you have to scroll down until you find allow people to use stories that you mentioned. So there are three options here. Allow mention from everyone, allow mention from people you follow, and don't allow mention. So toggle this that you want, and once you are done with enable it, you just have to refresh your page, and that's it. A quick and easy way to control whether others can share your stories and mentions on Instagram. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.